seminiferous tubules, and then once it's ready, once it's mature, it goes up to the epididymis. And this would be the head, the body, the tail. Head of the epididymis, body of the epididymis, tail. So on the exam, if in... Oh yes, this is the epididymis. It kind of goes around the testicle. When I ask you, what is this? If I just say in general, what is this structure? You'll tell me the epididymis. If I say be specific, pay attention to where the sticker is currently located on it. So if it's here, be the head, body, tail. And then I may ask you, what's the function? Function is where mature sperm resides or whatever. Then right here is a spermatic cord. It is an extension off and it goes up. You call it spermatic cord, you call it ductus deferens, no problem. This tube, this long tube going down, up and down, this is where sperm will travel to be ejaculated out to the external world. I should say external world, into the vagina. Or maybe sometimes. You guys get it, right? This is the cord that they cut off. That's called vasectomy.
Which one?
This right here. This is where they cut off. Right here. This cord.
The orange one, right?
No, it's not. Well, is it orange? Like a peach.
Yeah, peach. Okay.
Yeah, peach.
All right.
Okay? This is what they cut. Usually they cut it from here and tie it, and cut it here and tie it. Studies have shown it's somewhat reversible. Somewhat. However, it's very expensive. So what they suggest, there's a possibility, to a point it may not even be reversible. They suggest people before having the surgery to freeze their sperm in case you have a different feeling about having kids in the future. At least the option is still there for you. So, okay? So because basically, since the epididymis is where the mature sperm resides, now it's supposed to come out to the tube, but since this is cut off, no sperm will come out. So this is why when you get a vasectomy, there's no possibility of ever getting the female partner pregnant because no sperm will be able to come out because it's cut off. Okay? Now, yes.
Sorry, can you show again the spermatic cord?
Oh, the spermatic cord is the vas deferens, where the vasectomy is done, is this one.
That's the seminal vesicle.
No, the semivesicle is different.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, spermatic cord is like the vas deferens.
Okay.
Or the ductus deferens. Now, let's see. Okay. This right here is the seminal vesicle. Okay. This right here is the prostate. This is the prostate. This right here is the ureter, which is this is obviously the bladder, right? Now, this is the muscle I'm telling you, detrusor muscle. It's the case. So you could get this in many other, not just on this structure. You'll see it on the on the bladder in the other structure. Remember the 2 kidney, the inferior vena cava. Ooh, that sounds painful.
Score.
Okay, no, it's okay. This is the urinary bladder. Now, this is the scrotum. Scrotum is basically the skin. This is the scrotum. We already did the head of the epididymis, body, tail. Cremaster muscle is this right here. What the cremaster muscle does is when it's too cold, it brings the testicle closer to the body to get warm. When it's really hot, it extends it so it can cool off a little bit because it can't be in a too hot or too cold because then that could affect sperm. Also, the dartos is basically not really being seen here. I don't really see it much here. It would be like what is it? It will be like a muscle that's encasing so basically you have the scrotum and the muscle right on top of that. So if I took this connective sheath off, that would be dartos. Similar function to the cremaster muscle. Does the same thing. When it's cold, it brings it closer to the body, and then when it's hot, it kind of hangs out a little bit. Now, the spermatic cord, also known as the ductus deferens, we did that. Pemphiuniform plexus. Pemphiuniform plexus is basically all the blue-looking structure. But since I can't really, it's not like with the rat when I could pull it out and you could tell what it is. All these two we're going to consider. Even if you see the tape going around the red, I can't really separate it. But really, pemphiuniform is venous structure to it. So make sure you know these are the pemphiuniform plexus. Obviously, this is the penis. Okay. This right here is the foreskin, which is known as the purpose. Purpose.
Remove that at birth?
Some people, not everyone. I think depending on religious purposes, yes, some people have, but some people still have it. It all depends. And this is the gland of the penis. What else? What else? We're gonna skip over barbourethral for now. I'll show it to you in a second. Now, corpora cavernosa of the penis is basically okay. This is the corpora cavernosa of the penis. It looks like little boxes, and it's on both of these. Corpus spongiosum are these, because it's kind of like spongy. It looks like a little sponge, a bunch of hole in it. Corpus spongiosum, corpus cavernosa. Corpus spongiosum. We already did prepuce. We already did scrotum. Pubic symphysis is this. And remember, it was made out of fibrocartilage, correct? Okay. Bladder, yes.
Sorry, in the penis, the corpora cavernosa, is that the white part?
It's like all this, like this area where this,
Including-
yeah,
Including that?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
yeah, and then this and this would be the spongiosum.
Okay.
Ureter, we already did that, which is this, and then you know this is a semivesicle. Bulbourethral is basically a little gland that's kind of like around the what's that thing called again? The prostate gland. Let's see if I could. Is it even showing it here?
Is it that?
Is it on the opposite one? Because I'm trying to show you so that you can see the number.
Is it this right here?
No.
Isn't that this one, Professor? This one? Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. Right in here is the bulbourethral. Because you have the semivesicle, which is this. You have the prostate, and you have the bulbourethral. Those three glands are exocrine gland, which produces like hormones to be released during ejaculation. Also, the function of the what is it called? Corpora cavernosum and corpora spongiosum. These are erectile penises, erectile muscles, which basically they're only active when the penis is like erected. That's what allows it to kind of stick up, these two structures. Okay, now, yeah, for now I want you guys to review this, and then we're gonna do the female shortly.